morning po mga ka-excellence and kasalto. We are back with another episode of our Selective Instinct. For today, i-feature po namin sa inyo ay ang single mating pen po namin, consisting of one of the rare bloodline that we have here dito sa aming farm. Ito ay isang pares ng Stuart Yellow-Legged Hatch. This bloodline ay nakuha po namin through the kindness of Sir Nene Abelio. He is the source of our Stuarts, and we decided to breed this bloodline mainly because of its rarity. Kasi po when I started breeding, isa po ito sa mga bloodline na lagi kong nakikita sa mga game magazines na mga luma, dun sa Grit and Steel, Gamecock and everything. So I have decided na someday kapag po ako ay magkakaroon ng breeding, isa po ito sa bloodline na i-maintain ko. And true enough, when I started serious breeding, nag-acquire po ako nung first batch nito kay Carol Naismith. But during the first years of my breeding, hindi po ako naging ganun ka-successful sa pagpaparami. Nahirapan po ako magparami due to the limited knowledge during that time. So as years passed, nagkaroon po tayo ng enough facilities para makapagparami. That's the time again, pinuhay ko po ulit yung stewards na nasa amin. Nag-ask po tayo ng help kay Sir Nene Abelio, at luckily enough, napagbigyan po tayo magkaroon ng materyales na stewards. Ito po ay nasa amin for the past halos 4 years na rin po, but hindi po namin masyado na-out sa market kasi hindi po madaling paramihin. So medyo yung characteristics po nila is similar, very similar po sa mga 226. Sometimes they come out heavy feathered also, but one thing for sure, they are very dark. Hatch colored po talaga sila, with the exception of their yellow-legged lang yung kanilang mga paa. So we crossed them with our 226 then, so they almost have the similar features except for the colors, and we are really thankful that we have this on our farm. So muli po, ito po yung aming Stuart Yellow-Legged Hatch. Thank you po.